Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. There's Porter. So we got some hinges. The bottom one pulled out. So we're gonna fix that. And there's a couple of ways you can do it. People always say longer screws, but longer screws don't fix it. It's just a matter of getting the wood to hold. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do in a second. So I get this adjusted here. Now, get just a regular block of wood. I'm gonna cut off some wood shims, like little pieces of wood. Just get a couple, 4 holes. I'm just gonna stuff with some wood, not a lot, just enough to. So I got a piece of wood like that big. Shove it in there. Break it off and stick another piece in there. It's like that. It's nice and snug. Same thing with the other holes. Piece of wood. Just gonna cut a little bit off. A little sliver. You could do toothpicks, you could do golf tees. There's no right way, wrong way. Just get some wood in there. Some people glue it, but you don't have to. Just a little sliver of wood. Just to get it to take. Once it takes, you get these last 2 holes. Cut a little sliver of wood off. Just not too much, just enough. If you got too much, you can always take some off. Just so we can get a little bit more in there. Just maybe a little bit more. Let's see what we got here. Get some more in there because it's not. It's kind of loose. I want to snug it. It's better. Put the rest of this inside here. I can stick some more in that bottom one. Let's see. See what we got here. Maybe just a little bit more, just to snug it. You don't want to overstuff it, but you want to at least snug it. Okay, now this is a spring-loaded hinge, so you gotta kind of do that. Once you get the hinge open, keep pressure on it and let the screw pull it in. So I'm gonna pull this out, get my hand behind it and kind of push because it does have tension on the spring, so just be careful with that. So you gotta kind of pull it out, put your finger behind it, now hold it. Now take all these screws out of there. All those screws out. Keep your hand behind it. So you can get one screw to. Got one in there. Put another one in there. All right. Pop this one in there. Make sure it's straight. was a little wobbly, but it's in there. Same thing with this one. Okay. I'm gonna check it for operation. Be sure it closes without hitting anything. That's the most important thing. So let's move our door stop out the way. We have a little door stop there. Let's move that out the way and see what happens. Let's see how it closes. Closes pretty good. Back in service. Make sure our hinges are not pulling out, and they're not, which is a good thing. You don't want those to pull out, because then you have another problem. Perfect. That's how you clean a little mess on the floor there. Nothing major. Got my drill, block of wood, small bag of tools in there. Nothing major. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Get you on the next one.